guys, JB Vids here for another video. As you can tell by the thumbnail and title, we're doing a video on this MacBook Pro 13-inch. This is the base model, but I have upgraded the RAM, which is 16 gigabytes now, and I upgraded the storage to 256 as I don't think the base SSD is big enough. So what we have here is the base model. Also, I've put Final Cut Pro, and it's got all the other apps for the MacBook, all the photo editing, all the video editing, which is what I'm going to be editing this video on. So we'll get into it. Let's unbox this. So as you can see here, there's a little thing you can rip open, which makes it a lot easier. Take that off. That is so satisfying. There we go. You just throw that away. Gone. And then you lift the box up, or you try to. There we go. That's just the lid. Throw that aside so you get a better view of it. And this is the laptop. It's nicely, really nice. We'll just move that to the side for now. We'll just look inside the box. So it comes with all the Apple stickers, you know, all the stuff you don't care about. Throw that away. You got the charger cable. You've got the what's it called? What you put the charger in, if that makes sense. It goes in like that. On the MacBook Air, it is a lot smaller than this. This is the bigger one, because obviously it's a bigger battery to charge up. So put them to the side for now. And then if we open this, no, I'm not going to open that. So then let's move all these out of the way. And let's go to the main, what everyone is here to see, the MacBook. So you take this off. That's so satisfying. There you go. Oh, it's cold. This has come all the way from the Netherlands, this has. So let's put it down there. So this model, it cost me 1,700 because I got it with my girlfriend's student discount, and it came with all the apps for extra 180, so I just thought I'd do it. There you go. You take this off. It starts up straight away, and you'll probably be able to see my reflection, but I'll try to keep that out. So as it starts up, so yeah, I upgraded the RAM and the storage because I thought, obviously, if I'm going to be video editing, that needs doing. And I'll just set it up and I'll get back to you in a minute. So guys, I've got it all set up now. My reasoning for going for the base model and not the £1,800 model is because there's no difference really in performance at all. The only difference is you get 2 extra ports on this side, which you have here, but you get 2 extra ports, and you get 2 fans, and that's about it really. But yeah, I've got it all set up. I'll just go here. I'll just show you the system, and then so that is the system report there. You probably can't see it, to be honest, but yeah. But I bought some accessories for it. I got this. As you can tell, you only have the 2 ports there, so I bought this from Amazon. It's not pink, don't worry, it's space grey, and that's just to give me more ports just when I'm editing and stuff. Got that. And I bought this from Amazon as well, which is a case, which I'll put on now, and you'll see what it looks like. So there we go, I've installed the case. It is a black case, and I'll link it, I got it from Amazon, so I'll link it, but it makes it look all nice, and protects it. And then, obviously I've shown you already, this is the adapter. And I'll link this in the description as well. Let me just get this off. If I can. Chuck it and rip in the box. There we go. And yeah, I'll link this in the description as well. Comes really nicely packaged actually. There you go. So I'll put that link in the description as well. So thank you all for watching.